Okay, so we may start our investigation with a very general question. And we have some results. Let's further investigate this, for example. So we find out this is enzyme, and perhaps it's druggable. And we find out about some existing inhibitors of this enzyme, and in fact these are antibodies which are currently in development, or it says approved, for lipid related stuff. So of course this can be useful tool if you're trying to explore way more obscure biological targets, starting with starting your investigation with pretty general like correlations, and ending up at some ligands, maybe some which are way more unknown.